everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about the one essential this summer that you should have in your closet. So before we get started, I'm just going to go ahead and do the YouTube stuff. If you like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps with the algorithm, and subscribe. And also you can follow me on Instagram where I post lots of fun things and updates and outfit inspiration, so you can go ahead and follow me right there. And what makes an essential? Something that you don't have to think about, something that makes you look good, something that you're comfortable in, and you know what that is, right? That is a summer dress. Now, I'm not going in any particular order, I'm just going with what I'm seeing right now. So the first piece that I'm gonna show you guys is this dress from Mango. It's beautiful. It's this short dress, and it has a really nice print. I really like the cut, I like the proportions, and I especially like the back. So the great thing about this is that the material is nice and light. So actually I just used this yesterday, and it was like 32 degrees Celsius yesterday, and it was so hot, but in this dress, like, I wasn't dying. I loved it because, you know, it gave me just enough wind to enjoy and to feel comfortable in. Something to note though about this dress is that when the wind blows really strongly, if it's just normal wind, it's nice and flowing and it's perfectly fine. But when I'm talking like wind, it does go up. You do pull a Marilyn Monroe, and I think I said in one of the haul videos that I had that it's not something really that you have to worry about. It's not if the wind is gentle, but if you are experiencing a windy day, you will definitely pull a Marilyn Monroe. So make sure that when you're wearing this dress that you do have something underneath. So the next two pieces are also from Mango. I'm gonna go with this one, this really nice maxi dress. It's also in collaboration with Chufy, and I love this dress. Now, I actually went to a beach, and with this dress, it was so easy for me to change into different outfits. So, you know, when you go to a beach, you are likely to get wet, you're likely to need to change at some point, and with this dress it kind of works like almost like a cape or something that you can use to cover up, because it's just so loose and it's so adjustable, and so you can really do anything with it. And it was very easy for me to change into shorts and t-shirt and vice versa, so it was really great for that. But at the same time, if you are not looking into changing to a different outfit or into anything else, just the dress itself is really beautiful because of the pattern, and it's just great for adjusting as well. Now, the smallest size is a size 4, but that's okay because you can pull the strings both at the back and also to each side, which is perfect if you are worried about how it's gonna fit you. So it is adjustable and you can work with it. Next thing I have here is from Mango as well, and I love this dress. You've probably seen this in my haul. I said that I really like the back, and I still do. It's still what catches my eye every time, but I also really like how the skirt or the bottom part flows, so how it just follows you. It's like, you know, a princess in a meadow, and I don't know how to describe it. It's just as you walk, you just look really elegant. And again, you can put something over it, whether it's a jean jacket or whatever jacket, even a blazer, and it will change the look. So again, another piece that you can take from a day look to an evening look, depending on what you put with it, or simply depending on where you're going. And either way, you can take it up a notch or keep it as it is, and you can get away with a day-to-day dress or an evening dress. Next dress I have here is from Shein. It's one of the, I don't say the first, but the first couple times that I purchased something in Shein, I saw this dress and I absolutely loved it. I love the shape, I love the fit, and it's a very affordable dress. Now, compared to the other dresses that I've shown earlier, this is definitely one of the more affordable dresses. So the good thing too about Shein is they do have a bunch of promotions going on. So for example, if you spend a certain amount, you do get a certain amount of discount. So it kind of works progressively. The more you spend, the more of a discount that you can have. So they do offer these things. So just make sure that you're looking for that when you're purchasing from their site. Now, back to the dress. I love the pattern and I love the cut. So for me, I am very small in the top area, and my biggest concerns when I'm looking at dresses like these, especially low cut or anything that has to do with the chest area, I always want to make sure that it fits me. Otherwise, it's just not gonna sit well, or it's just gonna bear everything, and I don't like that. So this one with the adjustable straps, you can adjust it to your liking. And I didn't have to wear fashion tape as well. So this is great for anyone who has a small chest or is concerned about those things. The adjustable straps are really great for making sure that everything is in place. All right, and my last two pieces are from Zara. Now, okay, one of them is more like an honorary mention. I'll get to that. I'm gonna go with this dress first, this really nice white dress. I really like it because it's just a simple white dress. I think it's a basic and essential that you should have in your closet. I know they say, you know, the little black dress. Yes, it's an essential too, but this white dress is just really nice because it's, how do I put this? It's just really nice because it goes with anything. If you're really thinking about not thinking that day, this is the dress to go to. You can put anything with it. You can wear any shoes with it, whether you want to wear sandals, heels, sneakers even. You can get away with anything because it's just such a basic cut and the color is white. So you can pair it really with anything. And it does have more of a casual vibe to it, but I think that you can get away with dressing it up if you have to go to a special occasion as well. All right, this is an honorary mention. So when I first showed this dress in a Zara haul, I did complain about the top part. I didn't like it because when I saw the pictures on the model, it looked like it just fit her perfectly. And to be honest, looking at the picture and also understanding and knowing my body type, I thought it was gonna fit the same way on that part for me, but it didn't. It was too loose, and I thought that the strings were adjustable enough to make it fit to your body or the way that you want it to, and it didn't. Those strings were, honestly, they were useless. So when I wore it, you could see everything, and so I didn't show that part, but there was it was like a huge armpit hole, and you could see everything. Like if I turned to the side, you could see everything, and so I hated that. I asked for my mom's help to close and to tailor certain parts of the dress. So with the added alterations, I do really like this dress, but I did not like it as it came. It had to be altered to my body. So I do like the cut. I like the proportions after the alterations. The skirt, I didn't need to alter anything. It was mainly the chest area. And so don't be fooled by those strings. They do absolutely nothing. They're not really adjustable. They're just for show, which is part of the reason why I did like the dress, is because of the cutout parts and the strings, but it's absolutely useless. So that was everything. I hope that you guys liked it. Leave me in the comments down below which one was your favorite or which ones you guys liked the most so that I can bring to you guys more of the pieces that you're interested in and the things that you like. And so I'll see you guys on the next one.